Whoa! Hi there, we have a reservation at the batting cages for 4.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll send them.
All right, awesome, thank you. What turned into a conversation in the kitchen at Gunner, now reality.
He said, give him 25 tries, facing 98, and he'll be able to put at least one of those balls in play.
I mean, it seems pretty easy.
A little fast.
If I don't hit it, I'm gonna buy each of these dudes a beer. Are these gloves the ones that you can text in? Is this your bat? just a couple warm-ups. That's pretty good.
Coming in 80, 85. Certified meatballs.
Oh, that was a miss.
That breeze feels good. Uh-oh.
Am I under it?
Oh! Freedom! Oh.
That's fair, right?
I caught it. I caught it. Woo! Oh, don't let him get hot.
I mean, I think I did better than everybody expected.
Yeah, two nice liners in there.
You know?
You did good. You did good.
That was pretty good.
Oh, boy.
You know?
Good job,
See? You doubted me.
Don't doubt the kid.
98 still.
I still think, I mean, what was that? He said it was 85?
80 to 85. Yeah.
A couple came in a lot faster than the other ones did.
Yeah. That felt good.
Coming out of retirement, let's see what we got.
Okay, I'm ready. George Kirby, high school, 10 years ago. I hit a triple off that man. Oh. It's a bunt for the boys.
Oh, man.
That's a shot. That's gone.
It is hard.
That's tiring.
It is hard.
All right, going in.
Let's get it, baby.
Hit that black button. Made this look easy.
Seriously, dude.
I feel like you guys are playing a trick on me.
Back to softball.
%.
Yes, sir! Try to take out the machine.
Yeah, I mean, you know
His
what?
boss
He was
making me look
he was
bad.
throwing bad pitches to begin with.
Inside all day.
You had a little coaching. You got out of your own head, and you're good.
Hey. Do what you can.
I think we should all go get a beer, though.
I think I've earned it.